guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to create a FastAPI app and we're going to connect to a Postgres SQL. But something we're going to try use Alembic database migration tool that connects to our well with our SQLAlchemy models. That's FastAPI app. So what it means is that whenever we create new models for FastAPI app, we're able to use Alembic for this migration. It's able to generate scripts and update our database, so we don't have to actually manually create SQL scripts and so on. For example, when we create a new users table, a migration script, and this is all generated automatically. As you can see, it creates all the necessary commands required. So create table, and if I were to create a new movie table, again creates a table, the columns necessary, and let's added a new column, another migration script, column is necessary. So all of this will be generated automatically, and you're just running for a single command, and you're able to update your database. So that being said, let's go ahead and set up our environment first. So let's create a database for our project. So here I'm using Postgres, so this is just admin, and just create your database. Hi YouTube, and there we go. And let's go back to our VS Code. So first things first, we want to do this on virtual environment. So just as a good practice, it's good to define our modules as needed. Unicorn, just variables, and obviously Alembic. So things that we need for now, but as the series goes on and we do testing, then we might add. For now, this is all we need. And for environment variable, so all we need for now is just our database URL. So Postgres, our database that we're connecting to. So if you're using Postgres, then it is simply Postgres. This will be your username, followed by a password, then your hostname, and your port number, followed by your database name. So in this case, since it's hi, you just have to simply put hi YouTube. Just remember, this will be your this is just Postgres. This is your username, this is your password, this is your host name, this is your port number, and this is your database. These things we're going to start off with. So this may be Mac or Link, but you can simply Google how to enable your virtual environment, but the command should be similar. So if you're using Windows, once it's done, we can actually activate it. And once it's complete, you should see this this green thing here. Again, just try out the different options that's available, or just leave a comment and I'll try to check it out. So go ahead and install the requirements for the project. And meanwhile, while we do that, so let's go ahead and set up our FastAPI project first. So FastAPI project usually fall under app, so that's the convention that we'll be using. So under app, that will be focus on the models and the database, since we want to focus on the creation of the migration scripts. Okay, so all of it is created. So let's go ahead and set up the database environment for the FastAPI. Actually load the environment variable from here. So get it and load it here. So now we have access to our database URL. So go ahead and we need OS just to get our environment variable. And database URL. Now, in case we did not make that, then I'm just going to raise some error. Okay, so next thing, for FastAPI apps, what usually happens, we have to create an engine first, followed by a session, and then you'll be creating a base. Now this base is used by models.py. So what this base does, contains all the information of all the tables that's created, and contains where your models we define here can inherit from. So this is very important for FastAPI apps. And afterwards, when we're done here, we can simply create a getDB function, the session into. So this getDB function will then be the dependency that all of our FastAPI to actually query the database that we connect to. So create an engine, create a session. So there's this flow here. So the engine, then the session, which uses the engine in one. So whenever you need to access the database, we'll be calling getDB as a dependency, get the session, and then we query the session which connects to the engine. So let's see how that works. You'll be using create engine, which is part of the SQLAlchemy or create engine. And some other stuff that we need is SQL session maker, yeah, and we need the base as well, declarative base. Yep. Okay, so go ahead and create an engine first. So based on the database URL which I just loaded, so this then connects and creates the pool of connections that are required by the session. So next one, we're going to create a class, session local and session maker. We're going to bind to the engine that was created earlier. And then we're going to set up our base. So just use declarative base. And that's all we need. So now just create the getDB function. Again, these functions are very similar to other FastAPI apps, so it usually follows the same format. So db session local. So we'll be calling the class that we created here and create the db session there. Then yield db. And finally, we will simply close. So whenever this is called, or this dependency is injected, that this db will be yielded for the connection to be used for any queries the database has needed. Okay, so now that we're done, we can actually go ahead and create our models quickly. So for this project, we're just going to simply focus on very simple classes, so just user and movies. So I'm going to import some basic data types here. We need a column, some integers, we need text, and date, numeric for ratings, for example. And remember, the base that we created will be needed for all of our classes to actually inherit from. So I'll import this. So let's just create our class user, and we're going to inherit from base. And the first very important one, property we're going to set is table name. So in this case, we're just going to call it users. And the primary key, we're just going to set it to a ID column. So if you want to set the primary key as email, you may feel free to do so as well. So column integer primary key. Not sure why the autocomp is not filling up. Okay, there we go. Index true. And next column, we're going to add this column for emails. Text type, and last one is just column text. And one more class we're going to create is just for movies, so just similar fashion. Just going to call it movies, and yeah, we're going to keep the ID. We don't need email. We're just keeping as movie name. And one thing we might, we will add the different columns later on. And this, we're going to demonstrate how Alembic works properly here. So now that we got our models, and we actually want to update to our database itself. So what normally you could do in some other command, you would do something like this, and then you create, and then using the metadata, you create tables from base directly. Now, while this might work for small projects, but if you ever have to update these columns regularly, you would then have to drop all the tables just to update your SQL database, which means you have to drop all the data, and that's not very neat. And if you're working in a team, you may have some sort of revision control just to keep track of all the different changes that you make here. So instead of doing that, we're actually going to migrate our scripts using Alembic. So run this command, Alembic init Alembic, from the root folder. You notice these things as created, alembic.init, which is like offer properties, but we won't be changing anything here, but instead we'll be changing in the Alembic environment file directly. So we have environment.py here. Okay, so notice there's nothing in versions yet, so we actually have to create a migration script. But before we do that, Alembic has to know where the models are, because currently it does not it has not loaded any of our metadata from our files here, and also it also does not know where our database is, so we have to set up the database URL. So that being said, let's go ahead and load.env and get our database URL set in here. So notice this config, context of config. Now we're actually going to set the main option to the database URL directly. So let's go ahead and load our database URL here. And if we hadn't loaded it, again raise a runtime error. And use the config, set main option to SQLAlchemy.url and put database URL there. And now Alembic has access to our database URL for it to actually migrate the scripts to. And last but not least, we have to actually tell what the models are there exactly. So in this case, notice this target metadata none, and these comments actually make it quite clear. So from my app, import my model, and then my model.base.metadata, which is exactly what we're going to do. So from app database or base, and from app.models import star. And something that I just want to do as a safety thing, I want to actually add the directory of app in case it always is able to tell where it is. So just this small command here, which I'll explain in a second what it does. Directory name file. Okay, so os.path directory of file gives you the current directory, and then when you call that again on the current directory, it gives you the parent directory. And then sys.path basically tells the Alembic, the current file, where the current app is. So it's always able to tell, okay, app is contained in my parent directory. Now just as to make sure that it always recognizes the location of app. In case it doesn't work on the environment, then make sure to add this command. It may or may not work without it, but I think it's just a safe option to make sure it always recognizes app. Okay, so back to this. Remember that we ported base here, so just set your target metadata to base.metadata. Okay. And that's actually pretty much it, and we can actually go ahead and run our migration. So to do that, we will just run Alembic revision auto generate and call it initial migration. And you should go to versions and you should see a file initial migration. And just several things to note is the revision ID here. It's just similar to the commit ID in Git. So basically this is the head of the current migration script. So if you ever want to downgrade it, then you just simply Alembic downgrade to this current revision ID. And some other things you notice is the create table. This is exactly what we did. So we create a table of users. These are the columns that you define. And notice that the movies also have the columns that's defined in your models here. So it's just corresponding to that. And now we actually want to migrate our script, so it's just Alembic upgrade. Okay. And notice that it runs a migration nugget, and this is your commit, this is your revision ID, and that's your name that you set of initial migration. So go to your Postgres and refresh, and schema and public tables, and you should see the Alembic version, and also the two tables I created. So just to go quickly into Alembic version, this will basically store the different revision IDs of your migrations that you have created. So this is a table that actually keeps track of the migrations you have done. So just to demonstrate another thing, so let's say I suppose I create another column like rating. Column so something like 4.5, and I want to make it nullable, so nullable will be true. Then I run another migration script, so I will just call it add rating column movie, and as you can see, creates another script here. And if I go in, it's just one command that says, okay, add column rating, which is a numeric and it's nullable. And notice the revision ID here. And another thing that I noticed, this number should be familiar, 3180, it's actually the revision ID of this. So what it means is that this is not a parent of this earlier migration. It's basically adding on to the previous migration essentially. So again, it's just like revision control. You do this first, do this first, then you'll be doing this incrementally. So again, run the command Alembic upgrade hit, and you add the new column to this. So let's go ahead and check that out. Okay, rating there. So again, if I were to just drop it again, run the command, the column is nicely dropped. So the nice thing about this is that this actually allows you to incrementally update your database as needed, and you don't have to actually drop all the tables and then remove all of your data, which is bad if you're doing it in your actual staging environment. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next part where we actually start to create a FastAPI app. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again.